If you're considering buying LandLock, there are a few crucial things you need to know before you make the leap. Whether you're new to the platform or comparing it to others in the space, understanding the ins and outs of what LandLock offers will give you the clarity you need to make an informed decision. Stick around because I'm going to share the 7 key things you need to know before pulling the trigger. First off, LandLock is an emerging solution that competes with other location tracking tools and VPNs. It's designed to help you manage location-based restrictions, protect your privacy, and secure your digital presence. But before diving in, let's break down what sets it apart from competitors and what you need to watch out for. Next thing you should know is the ease of use. Many location management tools can be complex to set up, but LandLock prides itself on a simple and user-friendly interface. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, you'll find it intuitive. A few clicks, and you're ready to secure your location data and bypass geographic restrictions. Unlike competitors, which can have steep learning curves, LandLock's setup is refreshingly quick, so you won't waste time. The third thing to consider is its core functionality, location masking. When it comes to securing your digital footprint, LandLock does an excellent job of providing the same level of protection you'd get from traditional VPNs. But here's the difference. While other VPNs can slow down your connection speed, LandLock does a great job of maintaining performance while ensuring your privacy is intact. This can be a game changer if you rely on smooth internet for work or streaming. The fourth thing you need to know is the support and resources available. A lot of software companies just sell you their product and leave you to figure it out. LandLock, on the other hand, offers excellent customer support and a range of helpful guides. Whether you're dealing with setup issues or troubleshooting, their responsive team can get you back on track without making you wait for days, like with some competitors. Next up, you should keep in mind that LandLock offers a wide array of additional features. While other services might only focus on location masking or bypassing geo-blocks, LandLock extends its functionality by giving you access to additional security layers, including IP anonymization. If security is a priority for you, this multi-layered approach makes LandLock an appealing option. The sixth thing I want to point out is how versatile the product is across different platforms. Many alternatives are either designed for desktop or mobile, rarely both. LandLock, however, integrates seamlessly with various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. If you're using multiple devices, this cross-platform compatibility ensures you're always protected, no matter where you are. Finally, let's talk about the pricing. While some competitors can charge you an arm and a leg for basic location masking features, LandLock offers a competitive pricing structure, especially considering its performance and additional tools. But here's the kicker: you can actually try it out for free. Yes, you can click the first link in the description and get exclusive access to a free trial, which means you can explore the features without committing to a long-term plan right away. If you want to give LandLock a shot for yourself and get the best offer available, just click the first link in the description below. You'll get exclusive access to their free trial, along with some bonus features that aren't available anywhere else. It's a risk-free way to see if LandLock is the right fit for you.